So the first thing you notice is the antenna that was on there to begin with is gone. Not sticking out of there anymore. And this is the new antenna. It's actually antennas. There's actually 3 antennas in that box. And so you just have to, you take the case apart, which is pretty easy, and then you drill 3 little holes where those coax connectors go, and those are threaded. So you'll see in the other pictures, these just unthread right here, because you want to take off the whole antenna assembly. So see, that comes off, and so do these two, because you want to be able to, this whole thing just pops off right down there, and then on the other side same thing, so that it's easy to transport. And then it just pops on, and you screw on your 3 connectors here. So here, I'll put this one back on. It's hard to do with one hand. Anyway, so the transmitter originally comes with 3 antennas, because you've got the little antenna that sticks out of here, right? The little stick antenna, the whip that sticks out of there. And then there's an antenna inside, back behind this panel, and back over behind this other panel, right there where it says antenna inside. So you actually disconnect those 2 antennas inside there, and you disconnect this middle one. And then the other ends of these coax connectors has tiny little coax in there that connects to where these antennas were connected to on the little main board in there. And so you're replacing all 3 of these antennas with the 3 antennas that are in this contraption. And so they're super high gain, and it's fairly directional, so you always want to have the transmitter pointed wherever your drone is. Oh, and then my other little mod I did was, this thing only comes on like the advanced and the professional, but I found a little hack online where, again, you have to drill a tiny little hole right here in the case, because this little knurled thing here is threaded. So if I wanted, I could technically unscrew this and, whoops, let me unfold this and unscrew that, and I could take this thing off. But anyway, and then this holds your phone. If you've got a phone in it, you flip these things down, and you put your phone, you got to hit this little button on the side, makes that thing go up. Get your phone in there, then you push down on this till it's squeezing on your phone. If you want a tablet like an iPad or something in there, then you just fold those up, push this button until it goes all the way out, and then you see it's out far enough to hold an iPad mini, or you know what, it might hold a full-size iPad, also sideways. Anyway, so that's that. And like I said, that one was really easy too. I think this is the original DJI part that it's technically for the advanced and the pro. And I think it was like, I don't know, 15 or 20 bucks on Amazon or something. So anyway, that's it. And I've never had it out in like wide open spaces where there's no interference, but supposedly, and there's guys on YouTube that with this exact antenna setup, they say they're flying 4 and 5 miles. So anywho's, there you have it.